The United States is building a defense system for the future. Its name is the Golden Dome. Imagine a military network that reacts to threats faster than humans can even process them. A system where satellites, radars, warships, and artificial intelligence operate like one giant digital organism. The biggest problem in modern warfare is speed. Hypersonic missiles, drone swarms, and massive coordinated attacks generate so much data that humans simply cannot analyze and respond fast enough. That's why the United States wants to hand part of the decision-making process over to machines. The Golden Dome is designed to automatically combine data from space, sea, air, and cyberspace, predict threats, coordinate interceptions, and do it all within seconds. In reality, this is a transition from network-centric warfare to intelligent warfare. Software is becoming the new weapon. The idea is not to remove humans from the process, it's to allow AI to help military operators make decisions at machine speed. The system would not only detect threats, it would also recommend what is most dangerous, which interceptor to use, and how to respond most effectively. What's interesting is that the foundation for this already exists. Systems like Aegis and THAAD from Lockheed Martin, SPY-6 from Raytheon, and IBCS from Northrop Grumman can already exchange data in real time. Now the United States wants to connect all of this into one global defense ecosystem powered by satellites and artificial intelligence. Many experts believe future wars will not be won by the side with more hardware, but by the side with faster AI and better data sharing. And this could become the biggest military revolution since the invention of nuclear weapons. The estimated cost of the Golden Dome program could reach $1.2 trillion over 20 years. Many analysts are already comparing it to Ronald Reagan's Strategic Defense Initiative from the 1980s, the program once nicknamed Star Wars. The Golden Dome may require around 7,800 satellites. For comparison, Starlink currently operates roughly 9,400 active satellites. That means the scale of Golden Dome could rival an entire Starlink-sized network, but built for military operations. And this is not just about intercepting missiles. In reality, the United States is building a global AI-powered surveillance and war management network operating in real time. This satellite infrastructure could collect data from across the entire planet and potentially be used not only for defense, but also for offensive military operations. Disabling such a system might only be possible through nuclear detonations in space, something Russian officials have warned about before. The companies expected to benefit the most include Planet Labs, ASTS SpaceMobile, Rocket Lab, Redwire, and Firefly Aerospace. If the project is fully deployed, it could trigger a massive multi-year boom for the American space and defense industries. The Golden Dome will never have a final, completed version. And that's the whole point. Threats are evolving faster than any standards committee or military task force can keep up with them. The goal is not to create a perfect system from the start, but to build an architecture that can evolve as quickly as the threat environment itself. That means focusing on a framework where new sensors, new AI systems, and even new allied partners can plug in without rebuilding the entire network. The idea is not to wait for the perfect model or universal agreement, but to create enough common infrastructure to launch Golden Dome now, while keeping enough flexibility to adapt later. At a time when the U.S. Department of Defense wants 85% of solutions to be rapidly deployable, the advantage goes to systems that can continuously evolve instead of restarting from scratch every time the battlefield changes. The winners will be the systems designed for constant growth. In the 21st century, the United States will not only defend tanks and missiles, but satellites, artificial intelligence, and the speed of data processing itself. Just look at how aggressively the US government is partnering with companies like Anthropic, whose most advanced AI models are sometimes restricted through government-level agreements. And the real question is, will the Golden Dome pour even more fuel into the global AI race and the construction of massive data centers? Because a system like this would require enormous computing power and energy resources. The next evolution of missile defense will not be defined by larger interceptors or faster radars, but by how intelligently these systems work together. Golden Dome may succeed not because of one revolutionary invention, but because of how effectively existing technologies are connected, automated, and enhanced by AI. The architecture for this future already exists. It just needs to be connected, expanded, and taught how to think. Maybe what we are witnessing right now is the birth of the military internet of the 21st century. And maybe Skynet is closer than we think. If you found this interesting, follow for more.